Once you're in the FieldView Cab app, tap the Equipment button. Select Add New Equipment at the bottom of the screen. Select Combine, then tap Next. Identify the make and model, then tap Next. Enter a unique name for the combine and tap Next at the bottom of the screen. Complete the combine setup page. Enter the GPS offsets to either match the yield monitor or manually measure. Select the correct row crop or platform head. Tap Edit to enter the necessary offset measurements for each one, or select Add New Head to set up a new head in the app. Check the settings and confirm the flow sensor lag time setting matches the yield monitor setting to make sure passes are lining up correctly. Adjust GPS location if necessary to ensure you're in the proper field. Check the crop settings and adjust them to match your local elevator. Set the max harvesting height for each head prior to harvesting. See detailed steps in the video linked in the description titled Setting Max Harvesting Height in the FieldView Cab app. For more information, please reach out to our support team or visit our Knowledge Center.